we're going to start by removing these two external screws on the filter cover. And we can remove the filter cover and set it aside. We want to get these filters out of the device, as well as the O-ring. So save the O-ring and the filter cover. We'll set our bad filters aside and grab our replacements. So go ahead and start with the paper filter, laying it down flat in the center. And then next, inserting the O-ring into that groove. Depending on the sensor configuration of your device, you may have an additional filter to place in the center here. And then lastly, we will place the filter cover back here. We want to torque down these two screws to the value listed in the product manual. And then lastly, calibrate the device after the sensors have stabilized.